felicitate our chief guest. For that, I would like to invite the President of Utkalika, Dr. Basant Kabi, the Vice President of Utkalika, Nihar Ranjan Mahanti, the General Secretary of Utkalika, Abhinas Acharya, and Cultural Secretary of Utkalika, Ipsita Satpathy. Please come to the stage to do the honors.
And I take this privilege also to welcome Dr. Vidyabhushan Mohanty, our former president, and Mami Opa, our former president, to be on this stage, because it's more apt she should take from Mami Opa's hand. As you loved Odisha, this is a small, Konark for you. So it's now mandate on you to go to Konark, ma'am. Okay? Thank you so very much to be with us. And we all will be here. There is some felicitation will be continuing. So we will all be here in the stage.
So I would like to request all our dignitaries to be on the stage because we have so many more felicitations ongoing. So it's time to felicitate all the ex-presidents and the general secretaries of Utkalika for whom this Utkalika community is existing. They are the strong foundation of our Utkalika community. So we will be announcing the names chronologically, and I would like to request all the presidents and general secretaries to please come over to the stage.
Utkalika Qatar appreciates and acknowledges Mr. Rajdeep Das Bhai for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in founding and serving Utkalika Qatar Management Committee as president for the period 2007 till 2009. We wish him and family all the very best. So now I would request Mr. Santosh Bhai, please come on stage on behalf of Rajdeep Bhai.
Thank you, Santosh Bhai. Utkalika Qatar appreciates the acknowledges of Narendra Prasad Sahu Bhai for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in founding and serving Utkalika for Qatar Management Utkalika Committee as General Secretary for the period of 2007 to 2009. He has served Utkalika in various capacities and remains an integral part of the larger family. So, give him a big round of applause once again.
Good evening to all of you. Let's celebrate the similarities and respect the differences. This is the best way to live and remain ourselves, be happy and contented. So one thing I should just speak few words because you have a lot of programs to go. Just to remember, we just started this function, just 20 families in 2001. Prior to Utkalika, we had some, every yearly we used to celebrate Diwali and some Utkal Divas. I think 2-3 times before we did Utkal Divas. But one, I should appreciate this team, particularly the ongoing team. They are one of the best in the sense they identified the route from where it came. Every committee will see to glorify themselves, but I should appreciate them. They always look for their ancestor and take all the help. So give a big round of applause to the committee. Thank you and enjoy the Diwali function.
Thank you, Savaina. Without you all, Utkalika would not have stood where it is. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Bhai. So now Utkalika Qatar appreciates and acknowledges Susmita Patnaik Kappa for her exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in steering and serving Utkalika Qatar Management Committee as President for the period 2010 and 2011. Her charisma, demeanor, and poetic excellence are a treasure for all of us. We wish her and family all the very best.
So Utkalika Qatar appreciates and acknowledges Kharavelo Panigrahi Bhai for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication to the whole Utkalika community as the General Secretary for the term of 2010 to 2011. He has served Utkalika in various capacities and continues to serve Utkalika in many leadership positions. So Kharavelo Panigrahi Bhai, I would like to request you to please come to the stage. Ashton?
नमस्कार बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आज स्वीकृति पाई 2009 मसीह 7 मसीह जो उत्कलिका या प्रथम करी लगिला विदेश रे आमे गोटे घर तैयारी करचे आ घर भितर भाई भौणी मान संगे रहिले बहुत आनंद लगे ना से फिलिंग आसी तेणु सेटा गोटे बहुत बड़ कथा आते दिन धरी समस्ते सुचारू रूपे कार्यक्रम चले आसछंती सेतिपई एपर्यंत जो माने उत्कलिकार भार बहन करछंती तांको समस्त को मु धन्यवाद देबी आजिर दिन बहुत बहुत स्वतंत्र समस्त को आगामी दिन मान पई मु अभिनंदन एवं गुड लक जणाउची नमस्कार थैंक यू
धन्यवाद अप्पा. So next, Utkalika Qatar appreciates and acknowledges Prabhat Behra Bhai for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in steering and serving Utkalika Qatar Management Committee as President for the period 2012 till 2019. His charisma and demeanor are a treasure for all of us. We wish him and family all the very best. So I would request Santosh Bhai, could you please come on stage?
Mr. Prabhat Behra has moved up to USA. Just the new members who are not familiar with him, he was one of our backbones who made Utkalika so proud.
So I'd like to request Santosh Bhai to be on the stage because next comes our whole community appreciates and acknowledges Saroj Kumar Panda Bhai for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in steering and serving Utkalika Qatar Management Committee as General Secretary for the period 2012 to 2019. He has served Utkalika in various capacities until now he continues as the advisor. So I would like to request Ansuman Bhai to please come on the stage to do the honors. As Saroj Panda Bhai is not here.
सुंदर करताली हो जाओ. अंशुमान भाई भीतर पटु आसुचंदी. our next dignitary, Utkalika Qatar appreciates and acknowledges Dr. Vidya Bhushan Mohanty for his exemplary leadership and selfless dedication in steering and serving Utkalika Qatar Management Committee as President for the period 2020 and 21. He has served Utkalika in various capacities and continues to serve as an advisor now as well. We wish him and family all the very best.
Now, last but not the least, the next dignitary is Kajal Prasad Biswal. So, a whole community acknowledges and appreciates the dedication and leadership of Mr. Kajal Biswal, who served as the General Secretary for the period of 2020 to 2021. He has served in many positions of Utkalika and continues to serve as an advisor. So, wish him and his family all the best. Thank you all of you. Now I would like to request all the committee members, the current managing committee members of Utkalika, to please come nearer to the stage because it's time now for the felicitation of all the committee members of our Utkalika.
Sagarika, I'll just take this liberty of a minute. See, any leader is nothing except the trusted lieutenant and the team members. And preceding 2 years, I realized all my MC members who have given their blood and sweat to deliver excellent programs months after months, year after year. So I feel honored to give a memento to all my MC members who served from 2021 to 2023. With that note, our tenure is going to end this December. So hopefully there will be new faces, new leaders who are going to come and take over Utkalika and take it to a greater heights. I wish all the MC members to also continue with same enthusiasm, zeal and zest so that Utkalika can go to the next level. A big round of applause for all my MC members. Thanks a lot.
Sundar Karatalia Saha.
So जोरदार करताड़ी सह स्वागत करंतु आमर वर्तमान मैनेजिंग कमिटी मेंबर मानंकु एबे मो ना डाकी चलिबी सो मु भाबुची समस्ते आसी जाइछंती सो a whole team of Utkalika once again appreciates and acknowledges the present MC members of Utkalika for their relentless dedication and for the development of our whole Utkalika community. So with this, I would like to request Neha Ranjan Mohanty, Bhai is already here to do the honors first as the Vice President of our community. Give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Abhinash Acharya, the General Secretary of Utkalika Qatar. तालीटा कहीं सुना जाऊनी Next comes Vibhu Acharya as the Joint Secretary. As Vibhu is not here, can I, Silpa is there to do the honors? Yes, Ketan bhai. Yes, bhai. Santosh bhai, apana tike asiki. Yes. Okay, यश भाई आसी गले सो गोटे जोरदार ताली सह स्वागत करंतु यश भाई को स्टेज ऊपर को थैंक यू यश भाई आपरे आसुचंती सागर महांती आमर ट्रेजरर ऑफ उत्कलिका कतार सागर भाई
आमर कोषाध्यक्ष सागर महांती भाई एक सुंदर ताली बड़ ताली जोरदार ताली
धन्यवाद सागर भाई आमर कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी जहाँ पाई ये प्रोग्राम सबू संभव इप्सिता भाउज आमर प्रिय इप्सिता सतपथी से ऑलरेडी स्टेज ऊपर अच्छा सो तांका पई गोटे बड़ ताली हे जाऊ आमर समस्तंकर प्रिय दीपिका नानी दीपिका नायक लेडीज डूइंग सेक्रेटरी. So please give a big round of applause for our dearest Deepika Nani, the ladies doing secretary of Utkalika. So नानी का पई आउ थोरे ताली. धन्यवाद दीपिका नानी. Next comes our Priyadarshi Das Bhai, the communication secretary of Utkalika Qatar. प्रियदर्शी भाई का पाई गोटे बड़ ताली हे जाओ. धन्यवाद प्रियदर्शी भाई. आमर एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर शारदा प्रसाद डाकुआ जेहेतु से आज अनुपस्थित अच्छा मु अनुरोध करी तांकर पुओ आयुष को stage of Prugasi. Ayush, can you please come on to the stage? So Ayush pai gote tali. He is going to represent Sarada Prasad Dakua bhai, our education secretary of Utkalika Qatar. Thank you Ayush. Our very lovely membership secretary Niharika Bhauja. Niharika Sai, the membership secretary of Utkalika Communication. Yeah.
कंटिन्यू चाली थाउ.
एबे थैंक यू निहारिका भाउज. एबे आम समस्तंकर नना प्रिय तुषार नना तुषार रंजन मिश्र, the joint treasurer for Utkalika community. Tushar Nana, yes, the joint treasurer for our Utkalika community. Nana को पाई गोटे आउ थोरे बड़ ताली. Thank you Nana. Now the time comes for Om Prakash Parida bhai, for whom this whole program is possible. Our joint cultural secretary for Utkalika, Om Bhai. तालीटा कंटिन्यू करू थाउ एमती. धन्यवाद ओम भाई. एबे आसुचंती हमर प्रिय जयश्री महापात्र भाउज, द जॉइंट लेडीज विंग सेक्रेटरी फॉर उत्कलिका कतार. तालीटा कहीं बंद हो गला, सुना जाऊनी आउ. धन्यवाद भाउज. नाउ कम्स जॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन सेक्रेटरी परमानंद राउत भाई. परमानंद भाई, please welcome him with a big round of applause once again.
ताली नहले आसीबेनी, हम टिके जोर रे ताली.
धन्यवाद भाई. Now comes the time for our joint education secretary Janapa Reddy Poonam. Poonam Bhaujo, please come to the stage to do the honors. Wow, she is looking so lovely. Give her once again a big round of applause, please. Thank you. Now once again. Thank you, Bhaujo. Now comes the turn of our elegant lady, Trupti Mai Patnaik, our joint sports secretary. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause onto the stage. Thank you, Bhaujo. So now obviously comes the turn of my dear husband, the Joint Membership Secretary Satyajit Samal. कौन सत्यजित को बेड़ू को सबू ताड़ी बंद हो गला एबे मु अनुरोध करी गौतम मेहर भाई को आज द एडवाइजर ऑफ उत्कलिका कम्युनिटी। गौतम भाई स्टेज ऑफ प्रकाशन तो ताली आउरी जोरदार ताली सुना जाऊनी किछि। धन्यवाद भाई। So I'd like to request all the MC members to be here and to please come onto the stage for a group photo session. So requesting all of you, दया करी समस्ते आसंतु गोटे ग्रुप फोटो पाई। सब मैनेजिंग कमिटी मेंबर मानों को मु रिक्वेस्ट करिबी। आपण माने जानी कि एटा खुशी है एटा कवि भाईंकर गोटे सरप्राइज ये थिला। से मते कहिथिले कि सागरिका एटा गोटे सीक्रेट दैट आई विल अनाउंस ऑन द स्टेज। So it was his plan only to felicitate all the current MC members. So let's give him a big round of applause for our own कवि भाई।
भाषा एक नदी हेले ओडिया भाषा ହେଉଛି ଏକ उजुड़ा नदी। ये भाषा फकीर मोहन का भाषा, ये भाषा गंगाधर मेहरकर भाषा, ये भाषा ହେଉଛି मधुसूदनकर, ये माटी ହେଉଛି गोपबंधुଙ୍କର, ये जाति ହେଉଛି राधानाथଙ୍କର। ଆଉ ଏଇ ଭାଷା ଏଇ ମାଟି ଏଇ ଜାତିର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ କାତାରରେ ଏକାଠି କରି ଆଜି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଏ ଉତ୍କଳିକା କାତାରକୁ ଗଢ଼ି ତୋଳିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଆମ ହୃଦୟର ସହିତ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛୁ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।